Hey guys, it's Oberstadt, and in today's video I'm going to be doing an Ipsy Glambag Plus unboxing. This arrived in the mail today. My Ipsy Glambag actually just shipped out today, but I was a little curious as to why I got this. I had canceled Ipsy Plus. I got like 1 month or 2 months of it, and I had canceled it after that because I couldn't afford to get it every month because it's $25 a month. And so I am currently right now without internet on my computer because my internet, my networking interface card died. It's an integrated card onto my motherboard. It died last night, so I can't even look and see if they charged me for this. So I'm like a little about it. But anyways, let's do an unboxing. So I cut the thing open. I have taken pictures of it. I've posted some pictures on Instagram, and there's at least one product in here I will not be using because I know for a fact I'm allergic to it. So that's not good. But this is the box. I actually have another Ipsy Plus box on my bathroom counter because I'm doing a depotting series, and this was I think the first box I got, and it's got like all the packaging and stuff in the box from the items that I am currently like depotting. So I wanted to save these to show, like at the very end of that series, how much packaging really was involved versus what I ended up taking out of it, kind of thing. So I do have that here on the bathroom counter. So this box is a little bit different. Usually it comes with a yellow one of these, but this one's orange, but it doesn't really matter to me. It's just some like weird egg crate looking stuff. So this one says October 2019, flaunt it. Let's start obsessing over what we love about ourselves. It's time to show off what makes you feel beautiful. Those lips, that skin, and who better than iconic beauty muse and confidence queen, Betty Boop. Boop boop ba-doo. To inspire you to flaunt it unapologetically. It says hashtag discover yourself. And I have a hair tickling my nose, which is why I don't wear my hair down because it drives me nuts. And it's bad. So it says here that my Glambag Plus products are worth $120, and they're all supposed to be like full size. So looking at them, I think they're all full size. And I will be doing like I have another video to record right after this where I'm doing like a get ready with me chit chat kind of style. And so I will be using some of these products in that video. And so you'll see like clips of me in various stages of makeup. So I will like try and put video here on the screen of me using it. The first item is this Pure Lease Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. It's valued at $65. I know for a fact I'm allergic to their Blue Lotus line. I love Pure Lease products, but their Blue Lotus line and I do not get along. Every time I've tried to use one of their sheet masks, their Blue Lotus moisturizers, their lip products, anything with Blue Lotus in it causes my skin to completely freak out. So I'm not even going to open this box. I'm going to leave it just like it is, and I will either sell it or give it away. So this will probably end up in a box of like other stuff. It says, I have a hair tickling my arm that fell out of my head, so. Bring on the glow. This antioxidant-rich lightweight serum uses a powerhouse of 9 plant extracts to nurture, brighten, hydrate, and repair your skin without irritation or redness. This is, and the hydroquinone-free formula gently fades discoloration too, which, you know, this would be nice if I wasn't allergic to Blue Lotus. And it has like tips and stuff. So this is a huge no for me. I have tried the Blue Lotus sheet mask. I have tried the Blue Lotus moisturizer, and I think they sent me a lip product, or I got a lip product in like an Ipsy, and anything with Blue Lotus in it and me like don't jive. So I'm just it's gonna sit over there. The next is from Jolie Cosmetics, which is funny because I have a Jolie Cosmetics liquid lipstick on my tray for my stash. So I got another product, and any of these items that I use will end up going in my tray for my October Shop My Stash. This is the Jolie Cosmetics Spectra Stick in Stella. It says and it's valued at $26. Named after the French word for pretty, Jolie creates one-of-a-kind, high-quality products that inspire confidence. This universally flattering rose quartz highlighter is infused with micro glitter that glides across cheekbones, flawlessly blends into the skin for a subtle dewy shimmer. And it talks about how you're supposed to apply it. It kind of smells like candy, but it is a really pretty shade. So I'm going to swatch this on my hand. That is really pretty. So I will use this. So I'm going to put that on my tray. I'm going to put the box over here. The next item is a Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in Martini. I kind of figured with that name it would be like a goldish, olivey, brownish, greenish kind of hue shade. It says a metallic bronze olive with a mirror-like shine and rich creamy feel. Your lids have been waiting for a shadow this good. This loose pigment is made with 80% pure pearl minerals and instantly melts into the skin with serious lasting power. Plus, it's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. I don't understand what this little thing is that was in here. It's like a little hat-looking thing, but it doesn't even like stay in. It doesn't even cover the whole top of this. So what this is for, I don't know. And I guess I'll keep it. Let me do a swatch of that. It looks more bronze on the skin with like a hint of green. It kind of looks more olive and gold in here. And then here's the swatch. So it's pretty. I'll probably use it. I'll probably forget about it too, but it's in a nice glass, container. So that'll go on the tray. And the box will go on the counter. Gotta get my finger clean. So the next item is Betty Boop X Ipsy Cheek to Cheek Blush Palette. Inspired by the iconic Beauty Muse Betty Boop, this Ipsy exclusive cheek palette is here to help you obsess over you. It comes with one of these, which I'm gonna put in the box so I don't lose it. But it also has something over the mirror and I can't seem to get it off. And it's like really strange. And a couple of these, the first two are shimmery and this one is matte. So I will swatch these in just a second. I'm gonna see if I can get that off. It feels like there's something that you can peel off this darn mirror. I got it. I'll put this. Oh, it's kind of. Here, I'm gonna stick you to this. You guys can be friends now. And yes, I'm weird. I keep packaging. But then again, there's information on the packaging that 99.9% of the time isn't on here. Which this one actually has quite a bit of information. No batch code or anything, but It says Cheek to Cheek Palette. You're a peach all dolled up in Heartbreaker. I'm guessing those are the names of the shades. It says inspired by the iconic beauty muse Betty Boop, this Ipsy exclusive cheek palette is here to help you obsess over you. This peachy, smooth skin blush and highlight. Oh, it is a highlighter trio, mixes ultra blendable matte and pearlescent finishes for a lit from within glow. Well, I think I'm gonna have to do double swatches on those because I can't even see them. It says swirl your favorite blush brush into the pan, tapping off any excess, which you probably wouldn't want to tap off anything with these because of how sheer they are. And it says sweep onto the apples of your cheeks in an upward motion for a fresh flush. So the first shade looks kind of like chalky on my skin and I'm like paper. So it's like an iridescent pink to orange shifting, I'm guessing highlight. The center shade is a mauve to peach shifting shade. And then this one here is the matte, it's like a matte peach shade. Let me take my fingers off. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus on this. Alright, so there's the lightest shade, and then the center shade, and then the matte shade. And then there's the Tarte product and the Julie Cosmetics highlighter, which looks kind of dark when I do that. So there's all the swatches. So this is pretty. I'll use it. I didn't realize those other two were highlighters. I thought they were all like, I thought they were a blush and blush toppers. So I will add that to my collection. Then we have the Farrah Brushes Midnight Pro. I have a couple of Farrah brushes. This one here is from their Midnight Pro collection. This is the three mini tapered blending, so it's the same coloring as that one. I have these brushes as well that are Farrah brushes. Here's the other Farrah brush that I have, and then I have a big face brush that I use daily to knock off like extra powder and stuff. This is what I use all over my face. So I use quite a bit of Farrah brushes. They're almost as good of quality as my Ipsy brushes. I just realized I need to move my face brushes anyways. Let's see, what's this one? No, that's the Santi brush. So if it was me, which one would I prefer? The Farrah brushes over the Luxie brushes? I would still rather buy the entire $300 kit of the entire complete set of Luxie brushes over the Farrah brushes, but they're very comparable in price. The brushes are like super soft. They work well. They wash well. I haven't had any issues with my Farrah brushes. So I have a trio of brushes here. The Farrah Midnight Pro Trio, perfectly balanced weight, comfortable grip, and subtle midnight blue tint into the fibers. This trio of brushes is the epitome of luxury, made by a team of beauty lovers. Farrah brushes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and expertly designed for a flawless application. Tip: use 20 off straight to buff foundation. Use 20 FF, which is this one here, to buff foundation into your skin. Cheeky 218 for blush, which is this one here. And then Stippling 40 FM to stipple on highlighter or bronzer for a flawless airbrush finish. So I will probably try and use this one. I've got a wild hair over here. For the cream highlighter that I got from Jolie Cosmetics. Hey, let me give him a haircut. Anybody else need a trim? All right, I think we should be good. Okay, so I have these three. I was thinking this one would work better for highlight because it's like this weird flat paddle one. But you know what? Maybe I'll use it for like my concealer, because the one concealer brush I've been using, where is it? I just had it. Here it is. This is a Vasanti brush, and it's a concealer buffer, and it's a little bit too, it feels soft here, but under my eyes it like feels scratchy. So I wonder what this will do under my eyes, because this also feels, you know, soft on my face. But I'll try and use that for like my concealer and corrector, and then I'll use the one for that cream highlight, and then the other one I'll use for the Betty Boop blushes. So that way you'll get to see me try all of them out. And of course they have little like condom hats that go with them. And these are like fantastic to keep. When you wash your brushes, slide these back over while they're like drying to give them their shape back. I always lay my brushes down, like I shake the water out of them, and then I lay them down on their side to dry. And then about when they're halfway dry, I'll fluff through them with my hand and then put them back to dry the rest of the way. So I really enjoy the fact that we get brushes through Ipsy, because these are expensive brushes. Oh, I need to tell you prices. Okay, the Tarte Chrome Paint was $22 or is $22. The Betty Boop Blush Trio is $28, and the Farrah Brushes Trio is $48. Usually their brushes retail for like $12 to $15 or $12 to $18 each. I know the other Midnight brush that I have, this one here, retailed for $15, and this is just a regular eye blending brush. So, I mean, all in all, I think you're getting a really good value for these. And that's not everything in the box. That's everything on the list. I got this little makeup bag. Now these I thought would like flip to do something different. I can't really tell the difference. They look the same one way that they do the other. So it doesn't matter like which direction they're flipped. But there is Betty Boop on the other side and her little signature heart thing. My brother was a die-hard Betty Boop fan when we were kids. And then the inside of the bag does say Betty Boop X Ipsy, and it's this beautiful crimson color. And for those that know anything about Betty Boop, she was all about the red and the black and the glam and the bold red lip and the high heels that were red. And then, of course, the stunning outfits with that cute little ruffle on it. And She was a legs and shoulders girl. So yeah, my brother was like super enamored about her when we were kids, and I'm sure to this day my 40-something-year-old brother probably still has a few Betty Boop t-shirts running around in his collection. So anyways, that was everything that I got in my Ipsy Glambag Plus for October. I didn't expect to get one in October because I had canceled mine, so I don't know if I paid for this or what, but I'm sure that they wouldn't have sent it to me if I hadn't, because I don't think Ipsy sends out like free glam bags unless you have like over 100,000 subscribers. I know Jen loves reviews. She used to get Ipsy for free, and there's probably a couple of other YouTubers that I'm missing or whatever that have gotten them for free. But I don't know. I signed up for Ipsy because I watched Alexandria Ryan unbag one like years ago, and so yeah, I've been an Ipsy subscriber since probably mid 2016. I've taken a couple months off here and there due to not being able to afford it, but for the most part I've had Ipsy for quite a few years, and I've canceled other subscription boxes and kept Ipsy just because I like the products that I get from them, so, most of the time. I mean, it'd be nice if I could use a $70 serum, but I can't. I'm allergic to it. So anyways, I'm Rebecca Oberstadt. I don't know when this video will go up right now. I currently don't have internet on my computer. Computer's working. It's just the internet died. Our house internet works. But anyways, I will see you guys in a video hopefully tomorrow. And you guys have a good day or night wherever you are. And I will see you then. Bye.